Mission: to mobilise delivery teams for nuclear new build programmes in international markets.
I'm looking at trying to get the right technical expertise for the team into the right projects as we win them around the world. So at the moment I've been focused on, for the nuclear team mainly, getting them to fill in my skills so that we've got a section now on international mobilisation so that people can show where they're interested around the world. And as we win projects, we can then use that as a database to go and find the right people.
Mission: to oversee the design and construction of the largest nuclear fusion research project, ITER, as project director for the Architect Engineer Consortium. Mission: to undertake key roles in EDF's Japanese earthquake response program to help avert a Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station scale incident in the UK. Mission: to develop a readily deployable solution to process highly radioactive nuclear waste. The process will reduce the volume of stored waste by over 95%.
So on the actual site that we were looking at, there's around 200 tonnes of material, and that would have led to around 600 tonnes of encapsulated material, which would have needed security and looking after for in excess of 50 years. We came up with a chemical process that would reduce the overall waste that had to be managed, and we took that from about 600 tonnes down to probably no more than 4 or 5 tonnes that would require management.
Mission: to convert and develop infrastructure to deliver sustainable power generation from biomass.
What we bring to the table on this is a combination of the practical skills, the really high-level theoretical knowledge of how burners work, how combustion occurs in a boiler, what the impact on the high-temperature pressure parts is, and then also taking in the skills on the project developments. One example where we've taken the knowledge that we've developed on circulating fluidised beds is to support our American office in a waste energy plant that they are currently going through planning environmental impact assessment for in Haiti. Most of the studies that have been done would indicate that without a significant amount of power generation from biomass, we will fail to meet our carbon reduction targets.
Mission: to help position Atkins as a key provider of engineering solutions to the global offshore wind market.
The UK government has given us quite a challenge in itself. We've got a 20% target to achieve renewables, our clean technologies, by 2020. That's 20% of the whole market. Atkins has been approached because of our lengthy experience and our great pedigree in offshore engineering. We're working towards a collaborative approach, and the overall aim is that we've got all parties at a table discussing all the challenges and attacking these hurdles and overcoming the barriers in offshore wind development. We have already come up with some innovative alternatives to non-pile solutions, where we're looking at GBS with steel and both concrete solutions as such.
Mission: to carry out urgent CFD analysis during the Deepwater Horizon accident to ensure hydrocarbon gases are vented safely aboard BP's offshore drilling facilities. Mission: to manage HAZOP reviews for BP's entire global drilling fleet following the Deepwater Horizon accident investigation report. Mission: to assure process safety systems to enable the development of one of the world's first and largest floating liquefied natural gas facilities.
Atkins has got a lot of experience in working with floating facilities, and we've got a huge amount of experiences analysing fires and gas cloud dispersion and explosions on offshore facilities. But there's nobody in the world who's got the experience yet to deal with this kind of project, because no one's built this kind of project yet. But we clearly demonstrated that we had the technology to calculate the risks on a project of this scale.
Mission: to support clients developing marginal oil fields in the North Sea with floating systems.
Clients choose Atkins in this field because we do things that haven't been done before, and we also bring our own ideas to the table, our own new ideas about what could be done. The key example here is our semi-submersible with storage project, which was an idea that Atkins came up with. A key aspect of our semi-submersible design, it's easy to redeploy from one oil field to another. The commercial benefits for the projects we've been working on are making marginal fields affordable. Conventional solutions are unaffordable. We work on developing designs that are affordable for that field and potentially unlocks a host of other marginal fields in the North Sea. The key features of our team and our team approach is we've got a bunch of clever people who are used to doing clever things and are also used to doing things from first principles and for the first time, rather than just repeating design work that's been done in previous projects.